Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with another unboxing video, and today I got my Canon RF 100 to 400 lens. So this is my first impression. So let's see what we have got. The pack is pretty close inside. Hopefully it's not damaged. So yeah, let's see. It took me a while to decide what lens I want. And here it is. So this is what I decide. So let's see what we got. Alright, user manual in the box. I think it's a warranty card. And a book, user guide to use this lens. So let's put this on side and see what we have here. It does not feel that much heavy compared to my Canon AF65-300, and the build quality also does not feel like it's cheap. It's pretty nice. Alright, so let me show you the lens itself. Check this out. A lock button and image stabilization. This lens has image stabilization as well, which is great. I'm very happy with that. This is the first time I'm gonna use image stabilization in my RF lens. Alright, this is the back side of the lens. So I am planning to get also, hello, there you go. I'm planning to get RF 35 mm f1.8 lens as well soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. Do subscribe my channel for that, and I will be making video on that lens as well. So stay tuned for this, and I will. Okay, the focus is the zoom in is pretty smooth and it's very solid, and this ring on the front feels tactile. It's clicking right now. Maybe it's because it's an automatic autofocus. Yeah, okay, it's still, even in the manual focus, it's still clicking. All right, so let me show you how it's gonna look on the camera. I need to switch my camera, and right now I don't really have another camera right now, and I'm gonna use my phone to record this. And let me show you comparison to Canon EF75-300, and look at this, the size difference. This is 75-300, this is 100-400 lens, and I'm pretty happy with the build quality. Oh, let's focus here. So you can see that's the size difference, maybe like 1.5 inches. So they both are size. This is also quite heavy, but compared to Canon RF 100-400, this is a little bit heavy, but the amount of reach you have is not that heavy. So all right, so let me put this on the camera and then I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, so this is how it looks on this camera, this lens. This is the very first lens that I put on my Canon EOS R, the very first RF lens actually. So it's kind of feel good. I kind of want these native lenses of Canon EOS R, but they are very pricey and expensive. So this is the release, the budget version of 100-400, which is pretty nice. So this is how it looks. Tell me guys, what do you think? So yeah, this is how this one looks, and let me show you front and the focus about this camera, both this lens. The focus is very fast. As I am switching, I already tested that, so I will switch on different objects. The focus is very smooth and very quiet on this lens. I'm very happy with the focusing, as you can see right here. Maybe it has to be 100 millimeter far away to focus on the object. Well, it still has actually a relatively small distance to focus on object. Okay, so this is how it looks with RF lens, RF 100 to 400, and let me show you how it's going to look on EF 75 to 300. All right, and with the EF, you guys already know you have to have the EF adapter for this lens to use on the Canon ESR, which I already have here right here. The lens is right here. Let's put this on. It's relatively small. There is no comparison between this lens and this lens. You guys already see this how it looks, and look at this how this one looks. Tell me, it's not that big of a lens compared to camera body. That is also not that big. It's easily holdable. So I have some videos you guys can check with this camera. I did some birding, so to get a more reach, I reach a crop sensor mode, 1:6. So to reach to get a more reach, that's why I use the crop mode in this lens. So other than that, it's pretty nice. I did not have a problem with this. The only thing is missing the image stabilization, which is a big deal when you all the way zoom in. Then the footage takes a lot, and the camera also does not have the image stabilization. So it does have a digital image stabilization, but then it adds another I think times and 1:2 crop to use the digital image stabilization, which is good on some scenarios, so you'll get even more reach. So later we'll see how I'm gonna make videos with that lens and some picture for you guys. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.